Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your Dollar Tree account password. Open the website at dollartree.com, then click on Account. On the pop-up window, enter your email address and password. Then click Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Then a pop-up window will appear. There, you will see an option for Change Password. Click on Change Password. On this page, you will see a section for password. Beside it, there is an Edit button. Click on Edit. Now on the first field, enter your current password. Then on the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. Enter it again on the third field to confirm. After entering all the required information, click on Save All Changes. That's how you change your account password on Dollar Tree. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.